Welcome to Cooking Delights with Anita Goel Jain. Today we are going to make muffins, and that too with apples and oats. So they are going to be very healthy. You can give them to your children in the tiffin, or you can have them for your breakfast or with the tea. So let's get started. For this I am taking half cup of curd, which I am putting it in this bowl, 80 ml of refined oil, and 100 grams of sugar. If you can take brown sugar, it is better. Now I will mix all these things till the sugar is dissolved in this and this mixture becomes smooth. Everything is mixed up nicely and I am keeping this aside. Now I will take maida, and in this I will put, this is 120 grams of maida, and in this I will put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The baking powder should be level, and half teaspoon of baking soda. And to this I am adding half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is dalchini. This is dalchini powder. To this I will add a pinch of salt. Now all these dry ingredients I will mix with the wet ingredients. Now I will mix all the dry and the wet ingredients together. Now all my dry and wet ingredients are nicely mixed together. Now to this I will add the oats. I have used Quaker oats for this. Now with this I will add the milk. I will add the milk little by little and keep mixing. Now I have put all the milk and I am mixing it properly. You can also grate the apples. I am going to do it in the chopper. Now I am adding the apple pieces into this. And half teaspoon of vanilla essence for flavor. This I have soaked 1 tablespoon of raisins, kishmish, in 1 tablespoon of honey. If you want, you can also add this to this mixture. See, the mixture is ready and it should not be runny. It should not be very liquid. Now I am putting on the oven for preheating. I am putting on the convection mode and setting the time at 160 degrees and pressing the start button for preheating. In the meantime, I will prepare my molds. Fill the muffin molds only till 3/4. If you have a muffin tray, you can fill in those. But before putting in the muffin molds, you must grease it. The silicone molds do not need any greasing. These I am putting in paper cups. These you specially get for baking. You can even put in these type of katoris with the liner. Now I am putting them in the oven for baking for 25 minutes. Now I put all the muffins in the oven for 25 minutes. Now I am taking out my muffins from the oven and I will test them. See, the toothpick is clear. There is nothing wet on it. So now my muffins have taken 30 minutes to bake on 160 degrees. I have taken out the muffins. Now I am testing them with a toothpick. The toothpick is coming out clean. There is nothing wet on it. That means my muffins are perfectly baked. Now I will keep it for 5 minutes on this cooling rack so it cools down, and then I will take out my muffins. See, they are perfectly done. So now you can enjoy them with your breakfast or with your tea, or you can give them to your children in their tiffin. If you like my video, share it, like it, and please subscribe to my channel.